Winds are our main threat today, 30 to 50 miles per hour. Wind advisory is in effect for the shaded area, but again, throughout the whole region, everything that I forecast for 30 to 50 miles per hour, gusts as high as 58. Strongest winds will be in the shaded area, especially hovering around Arco and the Mud Lake area. Also, the American Falls Reservoir is in a lake wind advisory until 9 p.m. as well. Today, Snake River Plain, do expect a line of dry thunderstorms. The main threat is very high winds, 30 to 50 miles per hour, with gusts into the 50s. For the Snake River Plain, around the lunchtime into the afternoon, your afternoon commute will be definitely take care during your afternoon. It will be pretty hazardous. Keep all hands on the wheel. Take care of high-profile vehicles, especially, and anything on your property that you don't want blowing around. High temperatures will still be in the 90s. American Falls at 86 degrees. Central Mountains do expect a line of thunderstorms to progress, probably hitting some places currently, and to continue towards the lunchtime hour, and then afterward, partly cloudy skies. High temperatures, low 90s, a little bit into the 80s, upper half at the 80s. For the Eastern Highlands, again, line of thunderstorms probably becoming more of a widespread area beginning in the late afternoon and continuing with its effects of high winds, especially into the evening hours, probably a few hours after the sunset time frame. Again, 30 to 50 miles per hour, gusts into the upper 50s are possible. High temperatures, all in the 80s. Yellowstone looks like 78 degrees. And tonight for the Snake River Plain, partly cloudy skies lingering from the moisture that has rolled over. Temperatures for the overnight low, fairly warm, 50s, 62 for Pocatello, 58 for Idaho Falls. Central Mountains, partly cloudy skies, overnight low, 50s and some 40s. Stanley, 38 degrees, overnight lows. And again, do expect some of that activity to linger, the main threat being high winds into the evening hours. Temperatures for the overnight low, 50s, upper 40s. Now for the Southeast Idaho Chevy Dealer 7-day forecast. Winds today, warming trend continues. Very hot weekend once again. Mid-90s all throughout. And then that triple-digit day on Sunday. Idaho Falls, winds today, 90s, warming trend, another hot weekend, 97, 99. So it looks to be fairly similar to what we experienced this weekend, this past one. Rexburg, winds today, again, warming trend, another very hot weekend, 94, 96, Saturday and Sunday. Now for the Central Mountains, winds today as well, a little bit more clouds. Temperatures after today will bump down to 88 with that cold air that is behind the front being that boundary between two air masses. Warm to the southeast, cold to the northwest. So dry to the southeast, moist to the northwest. So therefore, we'll bump down Tuesday, kind of stay steady, and then after that, warming trend. Another hot weekend, 94 and 95 on average for the Central Mountains. Same thing for the Teton area, just remaining in the 80s, but again, another hot weekend, relatively speaking. About temperatures from yesterday, real quick, we did break a few records. Pocatello saw the first 100-degree day yesterday, 100 degrees. Did not break a record of 101. Idaho Falls broke a record. Record was 97, reached 98. Chalice got to 99, the record was 98. Stanley got to 90, the record was 89. Those are our record breakers.